Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to increase gas limit and Trust Wallet. So let's get started. At first let's get into Trust Wallet app. So here it is. Make sure you are logged into Trust Wallet. Now search for the crypto you want to send. So here it is. Now simply click on receive and copy the address and get back and click on send. Paste the address, enter the amount and click on next. Now in top right corner we can see the setting icon, so simply tap on this and here we can see gas price. You can increase this and continue the transaction. So this is all. This is how we can increase gas limit and Trust Wallet. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.